Today I'm at the MGM Select, or the Select at MGM. Right at the front door here, wanted to give you a quick room tour to let you know what to expect and let you know what I think of it. Now this is a king size room. Here you see it's a king bed with a little sitting area. Full kitchenette, we'll call this. TV, you can see there is a fridge, which is nice at most MGM properties. These are mini bars. This one is a actual fridge you can put stuff in, which is very nice. It does come equipped with a lot of basics. At least according to the site it does. Let's see if we come over here. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here's a toaster. Here's a blender. Oh, let me flip this around. There we go. There's the full blender. Nothing above the fridge. I'll get to the TV in a second. Let's go underneath. Just some basic things. So it's got a toaster and a fridge, but it doesn't have silverware. I swear I read that there was going to be silverware, but at this time there is not. You see all these drawers here are empty. So I just checked in, just giving you my earliest thoughts. A little mat here for a coaster. Another empty one. So, and then it does have a coffee, which is nice. Like when I stayed at Mandalay Bay, it was $5 to use the Keurig machine every time you use it, if you use the stuff they supplied. Here it's just free. You got a couple cups from the MGM Grand, a coffee maker, and that's it. So let's kind of dive in here. Next up is the desk. It's a very nice desk area, very big space, which I like. I'm here for a conference, so I'll be working and writing. Got some plugs in the desk right there. 3 plugs, a Ethernet jack, phone, light. The sitting area over here, nice area. This is the couch pull out. A little bit of stain work on this. I don't know if that's coming through in the camera, but this could be a lot cleaner. Yes, so this does pull out to be another bed in here. Let's kind of dive into these chairs. Overall, I mean, definitely looks worn. My impression of the quality of the room is good, but you can definitely tell, like if I come down here, you can see that a lot of this, maybe that's the style, but it's definitely been well worn. At least that couch has. It does have an iHome. I walked in and this was not plugged in. So it is a little worse for the wear. Excuse me. A little worse for the wear here, a little beat up, and I'll have to dig up. Often people unplug these because they want the ability to plug in another item there. I don't see, big strike here, MGM. There are no plugs on this side of the bed right there. That's probably why that's unplugged. Over here, on the other side of the bed, you do have 2 plugs here, but none in the light fixture, which I thought that was pretty standard at hotels nowadays. Weather or temperature control, a little bar area, which is pretty nice. Let's see what. So this is actually locked down there. You can't get into this. Then you got the bathroom, and it's a nice bathroom. Nice big jacuzzi tub with the jets in it. Big enough for one person, very comfortably, 2 a little squeezed. Nice big shower. Let's get the shower head in there. Pretty standard. Looks like you do have some maybe adjustable settings on that. You do have a mirror here on an arm. It's kind of low down. Let's get that in focus. Kind of low down. And then you do have a TV. They advertise TV in it, but it's a small TV. That's my hand, and I don't have a big hand. Can cover the entire thing there. I have an average size hand. So, and then the bathroom. One thing I find interesting is it still has the phone in the toilet area. It's a big little toilet room, we'll call this. Like Mandalay Bay and other MGM properties have removed these phones. So, very nice. One other place to check out the closet in here. And it's a very nice closet. So you have a nice size safe in here. you could easily fit couple laptops, some tablets in there, which is nice. Some just more drawers built in. Ironing board, very nice, newer looking iron. And another home network box. So this is just a utility box, probably controls the TV and everything. Let's go check out the TV over there because there is some cool features. This is controlled by the doors. The lights in here automatically come on and off. You see the little switch right here. When the door closes, the lights go off. Downside, if you're trying to get dressed in the middle of the night and you don't want to wake up somebody, that could be annoying. It does have a DVD player, which is very nice. TV here. Yeah, so it's very nice. Unlike I'm gonna compare this a lot to Mandalay Bay because that's where the last MGM property I stayed at in Vegas. There's no media center, so the MGM has that media center where you plug in a laptop and HDMI cable and all kinds of stuff right here, and it automatically connects to the TV. It does look like you can. There are HDMI ports, USB ports. I think, are there HDMI on this? No. Oh wait, yeah, right in front of my face. So there are HDMI ports here. I know I travel with a Roku, so you can easily put that on there, which is nice. There's the DVD remote on top of the DVD player, and then there's the TV remote on the bed right there. So, yeah, pretty simple, straightforward setup. It's nice. Let me go down here real quick, show you something. Remember I said this couch is seen better days? Yeah, it's definitely seen better days. So, but with that said, the room rate was really good. And the view, not bad. So you're right next to Topgolf, which I'm going to try to go over there. I'm not sure I'll have time to. There is a big club over here, and they are cranking out the music. And if you get the TV on, you probably wouldn't notice it too much. But without the TV on, you can definitely hear that there is quite the party happening over at this club right now. It's a Sunday afternoon at about 2 p.m. Vegas time. So that's a little loud. Let me show you back here is the airport. I'm on the other side from the MGM. I'm debating if I want to go and ask about a room change to see if there's a quieter room away from that club. So we'll see. All right, well, there's the room tour. 2 thumbs up for the price. I'm very happy. A couple things here. Let's check out for cleaning. All right, so dust check. Good. I don't see dust. Lamp shades. That's another thing I notice a lot of these. You know, cheaper ones, you find them in poor shape. These are in good shape. A couple places where they may not think the dust. Good. Good. Yeah, so overall, I mean, it feels very clean. Some things could be in better shape, like that couch. All right, let's take a look at the age of the mattress here real quick. Let's see here. Let me go down. So the mattress looks fairly new, to be honest with you. Don't see any signs of any critters or anything. No stains. There is a pretty hefty bed cover on this. So I would say, yeah, I'm impressed. 2 thumbs up. Would recommend if the price is right. So, and especially if you wanted something with a little kitchenette. I could have sworn I read that there was a, like, stuff to cook in here with. They do have hot plates right here, which is cool. I don't see any pots, plants, no silverware, no nothing included here. So that's just something to know about. It's nice to have a fridge you can actually use as opposed to one that's a mini bar where if you bump something, they charge you for it. So let's read about this sign here. Oh, for the convenience of your guests, you can request cooking utensils. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So yeah, there you go. There's the room tour. You can actually cook and clean in here, or a meal in here if you want. So could help you save some money. I brought stuff to have a breakfast here, so I didn't have to go and pay for breakfast every morning. And also I didn't have to spend the time going down waiting for my food to come back up. and then get ready to go to meetings. So yeah, 2 thumbs up. Questions, comments, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them.